Hello Trico, welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and in this video I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So let's start with your homepage, then I will move on to the Google business profile and then finish it off with backlinks. Your homepage has I actually like it because throughout the homepage has lots of call to actions buttons. So the contact, the get a quote, click to call button, the free estimates. So it's actually well done in that aspect. You have actually your homepage has a lot of content and the things that people should consider when relocating from one city to another, because those are the services that you provide. Then you have the badges, reasons why to choose you as the movers, and then in the footer you have the links to your social media accounts and contact details. So overall, it is a well laid out homepage, making it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. In terms of content, right now your homepage has 2,926 words. Let's have a look at how you are saving your images. You are actually saving them correctly, because remember that Google crawls all of the website and all of the sites, and anything that you have on your website is content. So images, videos, and the text, of course. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Houston 3-men movers, these guys have 1,402 words, and All My Sons Moving and Storage, the landing page for Houston, these guys have 1,082 words. So you're beating them out in terms of content. So it's just a matter of making sure that that content is sprinkled with relevant value intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I type in Houston relocation movers, and the first section that you see is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And also some people just turn them off in their browsers. Then the second section is the map pack. And this section, to rank here, you need three things. You need optimized and geotag pictures. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. See how 3-men movers are ranking also here. So they are actually getting a lot of traffic. And then for Houston relocation movers, the third section is the Google organic search, and for that particular keyword, the two first companies that we find are Houston Movers, 3-men movers, and All My Sons. So to rank here, you need something that we call backlinks, and to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in here, I am looking at your website, the landing page for Houston, and I can see that there's one external website directing traffic through one link to your website. And a backlink is exactly that, a link on a website that points to your website. If I have a look at 3-men movers, the landing page for Houston, these guys have 195 external websites directing traffic through 538 backlinks. And All My Sons, these guys have 51 external websites through directing traffic through 415 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile. Just make sure that you have not only more backlinks, but powerful backlinks, and that means that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide, so that Google can actually start regarding your website as an authority for that particular search that users are performing. Let's have a look at organic keywords. So you are being found. So this particular landing page is being found for 4 organic keywords. And I can see you are being ranked for long distance movers Houston. The search volume is 20, and your website is in position 61. That means that there are 20 people searching for long distance movers on any given month. Long distance mover Houston's search volume is 60, and you're in position 73. Long distance movers in Houston search volume 30, and Houston long distance movers 20. So it's a matter of actually building up the backlink profile just to make sure that you're actually ranking at the top for these keywords. If I have a look at 3-men movers, these guys are being found for 862 organic keywords, And in here, you can see what some of those keywords are. Just let me highlight something over here. So you can see that Houston Movers has a search volume of 2,100 and they're in the second position, so they are able to drive 296 visits to their website. Moving Companies Houston, search volume is 2,800. They are in position fourth, so they were able to drive 250 visits to their website. So I actually did like I added up some of the keywords. So Houston Movers, Moving Companies Houston, Houston Moving Companies, Movers Houston's, and Moving Company Houston adds up to 8,900 searches per month. And because they are ranking in the top positions for those keywords, they were able to get 841 visits. So imagine getting a portion of that traffic. It means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to actually increase the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.